again, it is that time.
I'm about to start driving. I'm about to leave. It's a very bittersweet feeling. What an experience this was. We wasted half a tank of gas, about $100 in the last 24 hours. I've driven 200 kilometers. The vehicle's been on a lot of the time. The heater's on right now because my water tank is frozen. Everything in here is frosty. Now it's just a drive back. Just a cold, lonesome remote drive back, and holy fuck, is it gonna be a long one. The lights are green behind me. My windshield's a little frozen, so I'm kind of like just ducking right now, but the highest Northern Lights rating that I've gotten since I've been out here. It is currently midnight in Inuvik. I am on the ice road to Aklavik because it's the closest thing to where I was parked and I don't have to drive across town, and it gets dark rather quickly. So I'm just driving up here, I don't know, another 10 minutes. Like I'm driving on the Mackenzie Delta right now, one of the most revered rivers in Canada, you know? So yeah, I'll let you know if I see the aurora. I guess that's kind of it. If not, then we just drive back and park where we were. Like I'm driving on a river right now. And that's just so incredibly strange to me. But it's the norm out here. The road from the Northwest Territories border to Eagle Plains is closed, which really sucks because I'm stuck in Inuvik and gas here is $2.50 a liter. Food is ridiculous. I'm actually about to go get some water because my water tank's frozen. I need to fill up my little canister, and the 12 liters that I bought in Whitehorse are pretty much gone. So that's what we're dealing with. So I'm just pumping gas, and there's this older gentleman doing up his gas on his Sea-Doo. He's going out in the bush, or his Ski-Doo. He's going out to the bush, and he invited me to follow him because he said he's gonna give me something, a little license plate or something. But I don't know. Very nice fella. We were shooting the shit. He was telling me about his community and how he grew up here and how there's just an influx of like drugs and shit like that. And I'm wondering if that burning is him or me. Yeah, he was just getting ready to go to the bush and I don't know, hang out, I guess, and do whatever people do in the bush. Hello, Pooch. But anywho, I'm at his house. Let me go see what's going on here. Hey, buddy. Just a lot of rattles. You get used to it. Lenny gave us a whole bunch of license plates, like OG license plates from the Northwest, and there's even a little BB bike plate, which I think is awesome. More stuff to rattle its way through for the rest of the journey. But in any case, I've been a little bit antsy to maybe get out of Inuvik, and I was thinking about how like this part of the journey is at an end, and how that's sad. But Lenny lifted my spirits, just a nice wholesome way to end my trip in the Northwest Territories here in Canada. We're out here getting to the Yukon and Northwest Territories border. We're probably like an hour away from that, but this was a nice way to end. So thank you, Lenny, for the presents and for sharing with me what it's like living up here. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. Enjoy the rest of the drive. Have to be on the road because we're going the speed limit, like highway speed limits, because it's 5 degrees in Dawson City, which is a whole 46 degree difference than from a couple of days ago up in the Arctic. So that is insane. We did it. We drove the most remote highway in Canada, a whole 1,500 kilometers, 760 up and down, give or take, like that. Oh, there's a guy in the ditch. Ay, caramba. Oi. Oof. That's rough, man. But in any case, this was one of the most incredible drives of my life. This will stay with me forever. As I say that, I get goosebumps. But I'm heading to Dawson City today, honestly, just to pick up some water. I'm absolutely tired of driving, and I still have another 2,500 kilometers to make it back to Calgary. So with that being said, officially the Arctic adventure is over. Mind-blowing. Thank you all for subscribing. I'll catch you guys next time. And as I always say,